Hey, I'm Carly Howard with the Rafter H Realty Group.
Are you looking to relocate, downsize, upgrade, or buy your first home?
I've been serving DFW over the last 8 years, selling hundreds of homes. Experience the heart of Texas and DFW with your home and your lifestyle. In this video, I'm taking you on a tour of the model home of American legend in a master community plan M3 ranch in Mansfield, Texas. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about this builder, floor plan, or North Texas real estate, please give me a call. I want to get you the best deal on a new construction home or a pre-existing home. Please like and subscribe. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.